This is not your ordinary bread factory. Here, every second counts. Precision meets extreme speed. Every single second, thousands of slices of bread race through machines so fast the human eye can barely follow them. Welcome inside one of the world's extraordinary engineering marvels. But this is only the beginning.
Modern industrial bakeries don't produce tens of thousands every hour, operating around the clock with astonishing precision. Everything starts with something surprisingly simple.
Flour, water, yeast, salt, and carefully controlled automation come together inside giant industrial mixers, where precision matters more than speed. Now, before baking, the dough rests inside climate-controlled proofing chambers, where temperature and humidity are carefully regulated to create the perfect loaf. The next stage, stretching for dozens of meters, tunnel ovens bake thousands of loaves simultaneously. Using biggest engineering challenge is only just beginning. Fresh from the oven, the loaves are far too hot to slice. High-speed cooling conveyors gradually reduce their temperature, while maintaining the bread's every loaf must be perfectly positioned. Before slicing can begin, every loaf is automatically spaced, aligned, and centered. The next machine is the true star of the factory. This is where engineering reaches another level. Industrial bread slicers process loaf after loaf in seconds, delivering perfectly even slices with incredible consistency. Each blade is carefully engineered to minimize vibration and reduce crumbs, allowing every slice to remain uniform. Slicing is only half the challenge. Moments after slicing, synchronized conveyor systems take over. Every movement is timed to the millisecond. See how thousands of delicate slices are packed in human hand touching them.
Before packaging begins, every loaf passes through a network of high-speed optical sensors. In just milliseconds, cameras inspect color, size, shape, and slice uniformly.
The moment a defect is detected, precision air jets or servo-driven pushers remove without slowing the rest of the operation. Now comes one of the fastest packaging systems ever built. Packaging starts with a surprisingly difficult task, opening thousands of plastic bags every hour. Vacuum systems and precision nozzles prepare each bag before the bread even arrives. Within fractions of a second, synchronized loading mechanisms gently guide each loaf into an open bag without crushing its delicate structure. But the package still isn't ready for the supermarket. Automatic sealing systems remove excess air. They securely close every package. This ensures longer freshness. Next, every package receives its identity. Every package receives a unique identity. High-speed printers apply the date in just milliseconds, making every loaf fully traceable. One final inspection decides whether this loaf reaches the supermarket. Artificial vision systems perform one last inspection, checking package integrity, seal quality, label accuracy move forward. Now dozens of packages must become one perfectly. High-speed robotic packers group bread bags with incredible speed. But the warehouse is where automation becomes even more impressive. Towering robotic palletizers stack hundreds of cartons into perfectly balanced pallets. Every movement is calculated for stability, transport efficiency, and warehouse safety. The journey isn't over yet.
Without a single driver, autonomous guided vehicles transport finished pallets. In the final chapter, discover how these engineering marvels deliver millions of
freshly packed loaves begin their journey, arriving at supermarkets at peak freshness. But behind every machine is an invisible brain controlling the entire factory.
Thousands of sensors continuously monitor temperature, conveyor speed, motor performance, and production efficiency. Single intelligent control room. The future isn't just faster, it's smarter.
Modern bakeries are also becoming more sustainable. Heat recovery systems, energy-efficient motors, and intelligent process control, and the next generation of factories is already being built. Future bread factories will rely on AI, predictive maintenance, collaborative robots. Let's look back at the incredible journey of a single loaf. From a handful of simple ingredients, every second of the journey is powered by extraordinary engineering. The story isn't over yet. One final look reveals the truth. In the world's largest bakeries, a single production line can process thousands of loaves every hour. But even these incredible machines depend on one thing. Behind every robotic arm and conveyor are engineers, designers, and technicians. They constantly improve these machines, making them faster, safer, and more reliable. Tomorrow's bakeries will use even smarter automation, predictive maintenance, and AI-driven optimization to reduce waste, increase efficiency, and deliver fresher faster than ever before. What begins as flour, water, yeast, and salt becomes a masterpiece of modern engineering, from mixing to human innovation and precision. And that's what makes modern manufacturing.
The next time you pick up a loaf of bread, remember the incredible engineering journey behind every slice. If you enjoyed exploring the world's most advanced machines, subscribe for more stories uncovering the technology that powers our everyday lives.